Welcome to the Packwise fulfillment application. Once installed into your Shopify store, you can view orders as they come in. They're synced automatically into your store. You have some data analytics as things start to populate. On the top side, at the bottom, you have your orders as they come in, viewing your order date, status, the customer, item count, fulfillment status, and actions. In this event, we're going to select 1381 and begin fulfilling that order. As we begin fulfilling the order, the time to pack, you can see it at the top. This is great to understand the amount of time that it's taking for the picker or packer to pack the order. It is cumulative. As you can see, this has gone up to 8 minutes. And you can see the orders here that are unfulfilled. In order to fulfill the order, as they are placed in the package, the user will select it or scan the order, and that order will then move into the package. Once it's placed in the package, the order is marked fulfill. There's an option to select the package, editing the package size. It's set to a default, which can be edited in the settings section. You can see customer information, and you can then fulfill and go to the next. You can select the location of which warehouse it is fulfilling from if necessary. In this case, we're going to select the Atlanta warehouse, and if we'd like to do so, we can send fulfillment details to the customer. We're going to fulfill and go to the next. As we saw, we fulfilled order 1381. That order is now fulfilled, and there's others that need to be fulfilled. We can also view orders that have already been fulfilled. In this event, we can view this fulfilled order here. It's taking an average time to pack of 9 minutes and 46 seconds. And we can fulfill and move on. We're going to select order 1380 to view a condition. Double pack warning. Double pack is ongoing in this order. Please talk to the team who's going to continue fulfilling this order. In this case, someone else has already logged into this order and it's attempting to fulfill. It's preventing a double packing and picking of this order so as to not send the same order out twice. Once you've spoken with the team member, it's the same as before. We can select the items and fulfill the order. Going into the settings, there's some integrations. You can do fulfillment errors. In this fulfillment errors, at the moment we have missing ship address, out of stock. These are errors that the packer can select, so it can go into management or understand why that order was not shipped or fulfilled. If we were to go into another order and view it, we can see this one, for instance. It's already fulfilled, so there isn't an ability to, it's already fulfilled, but you can see here the errors. This is where you would select the error, and these are the errors that we're seeing before. Now we know that this is missing shipping address, and therefore it wasn't able to be fulfilled. Going back to the settings and the package description, you can add various packages. At the moment, the small package is the default, but there's multiple packaging options that you can add based on your needs. And the user management is where you can select, add users, test user, select the role, and give them email address and PIN so they can log on and you can track the analytics for that user. If there are internal products, for instance, first-time buyers of a particular product get a koozie or a flyer, something that doesn't necessarily need to be tracked through your store because it is an internal product. Again, it does not get purchased by the user. You can add it on here. We've added an extra koozie. It's just an example of something that would go into a box, bag, whatever package it may be that you send out the products at, and this is an internal product that would be added. If we needed to add something else as a flyer or something like that, let's call it first time flyer. You could add first time flyer one as the SKU, add an image, make it active, and there's your first time flyer. This can be set within the rules section, and based on the orders as they come in, the rules will go into effect and an internal product may be added to an order in order to fully fulfill that order. Those internal products would show in the unfulfilled section, and the packer can then add that if necessary. And that is a high level overview of Packwise.